Hey, Savvy Shippers. Today we've released some new capabilities for you to be able to bulk edit shipments from the shipment listing page. So here's an example. I've got some shipments. They are shipping from a bunch of different locations. Turns out I actually have all these products in one location. And so maybe I want to press edit and I want to change the starting point for all of these locations to one of my addresses here. So I can go ahead and I can do that. I can also request recipient signature to be required for every single one of those shipments in one quick way. And then finally, I can also add package details quite quickly. So I can go through, and if I have some package presets defined, meaning a saved size and weight of a box, I can choose that here. If I don't have that defined, I can say, hey, make a size of a box here, and we can go that. And then it'll go ahead and it'll apply those changes to all of those shipments on your behalf. Great, shipments updated successfully. If we refresh these guys, nice, yeah, all of our addresses are updated as expected. That's it. Have a good one.